Every Harley rider wants to make their Sportster 883 stand out, but not everyone's got a huge budget. Today, we're breaking down the top mods that actually transform your Harley-Davidson Sportster 883, even if you're broke. These are the upgrades you can feel: more power, better handling, and way more fun to ride. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. First up, Stage 1. Everyone talks about it, but most riders don't really know what it means. Stage 1 is the holy trinity: exhaust, air intake, and tuning. That combo takes your 883 from sounding like a lawnmower to sounding like a real Harley. For the tuner, go with the Vance & Hines FP4. It connects through Bluetooth, works on both CAN and J1850 systems, and lets you monitor live data right from your phone. Throttle, RPMs, temps, everything. It's plug and play, easy to use, and completely changes throttle response. Next, let the bike breathe. Grab an Arlen Ness Big Sucker or a Screamin' Eagle Heavy Breather for that deep intake growl. And if you want instant results, throw on a set of Bassani or Cobra slip-ons. Even just slip-ons and a tune make your 883 feel like a totally new machine. You'll notice smoother throttle, cleaner idle, and stronger pull from low RPMs. And if you're doing this on a budget, start with the exhaust. You can always add the tuner later. Alright, let's talk about what your back will thank you for: suspension. Because stock 883 shocks are brutal. Every bump feels like a punch in the spine. The Progressive 412S are hands down the best budget shock for the Sportster. About $300, bolt right on, and instantly smooth out your ride. If you've got more to spend, the Progressive 444s are next level. They adapt to every road bump automatically. And don't forget the front end. A Progressive monotube kit or emulator valves fix that nosedive every time you hit the brakes. Once you upgrade suspension, it feels like the whole bike tightens up. It corners better, rides smoother, and honestly, it just feels safer. Speaking of safer, let's talk brakes. The 883 doesn't exactly stop like a superbike, but here's the fix that costs less than $200. Swap your pads for EBCHH sintered pads. They bite harder, last longer,
you can order them with any kind of
keep the
connectors
same
you want
feel
on here,
even when they're
any
hot.
color. You can even choose
Then
the color
upgrade
of
to
these.
stainless steel braided brake lines. They don't expand under pressure, so the lever feels firm and consistent every single time. This combo gives you real stopping power without spending a fortune. And once you try it, you'll never go back. Alright, comfort check. Let's talk seat and ergonomics. A lot of people dump thousands into performance, but ignore the one thing they sit on for hours. A good seat completely changes the ride. Try a Lepera Bare Bones if you want low and clean, or a Mustang Vintage Solo for comfort and support. Pair it with mini apes or taller bars, and your back will thank you every mile. This mod isn't flashy, but it's one of those upgrades you appreciate every single ride. Tires. You can't ride fast if your tires suck. Good rubber changes everything. Go with Michelin Scorcher 31s or Dunlop American Elites. They grip better, corner smoother, and last longer than stock tires. It's one of those mods that doesn't look crazy on camera, but you'll feel it in every turn. Next up, visibility. Because riding at night on stock Harley bulbs feels like using a flashlight from 1985. Upgrade to LED headlights and turn signals. Go for Custom Dynamics or JW speaker. They're bright, plug and play, and make night rides way safer. They also modernize the bike's look instantly. Plus, you'll stop worrying about being seen. That's peace of mind worth every dollar. And finally, for the riders chasing serious power, it's time for the big bore kits. Turning your 883 into a 1200 or even a 1275 completely transforms it. The S&S 1200 kit is plug and play. No machining, no drama, just torque. It bumps your horsepower and gives that low-end grunt every Harley rider wants. But if you want to go full send, the Hammer Performance 1275 is the king. With cams, headwork, and tuning, you can hit over 100 horsepower on a Sportster. It's not cheap, but the smile per dollar ratio? Off the charts. Alright, let's talk budget breakdown, because not everyone's dropping $2,000 at once. Here's how to build your 883 step by step, depending on your wallet. Under $600, slip-ons and brake pads. $1,000 to $1,500, full stage 1 with tuner and intake. $1,200 to $1,800, suspension and brake combo. $2,500 and up, big bore 1200 or 1275 kit. No matter what level you're at, each of these upgrades makes a real difference. So there you have it. The top mods that actually transform a Harley-Davidson Sportster 883, even on a budget. Forget the chrome covers and fake performance parts. These are the upgrades you'll feel every single ride. Which mod do you think makes the biggest difference? Drop it in the comments. And if you love Harley content, hit that subscribe button. More builds, more upgrades, more real biker stories every single week. This is Roadside Harley, and that's how you make an 883 feel like a whole new beast.